Effective du'as and spiritual practices for ease in marriage proposals. To attain ease and blessings in marriage matters, adopt the following spiritual practices with consistency, sincerity, and full trust in Allah. Perform all 5 daily prayers in congregation. This brings barakah, blessings, peace, and divine mercy. After the Isha prayer, recite Durud Sharif 11 times at the beginning and end, and in between recite Ya Latifu 1,100 times. Then, make heartfelt dua to Allah for your specific need regarding marriage. Alternatively, frequently recite this Qur'anic supplication.
رب إني لما أنزلت إلي من خير فقير.
My Lord, indeed I am in need of whatever good you send down to me. Another practice. After Isha, recite Durud Sharif 11 times at the start and end, and in between, recite this verse 41 times. وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا وَيَرْزُقْهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ وَمَنْ يَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ. Then, ask Allah with full sincerity and trust. Every morning and evening, recite Surah Al-Waqi'ah and Surah At-Tariq once each. These have been spiritually proven to be beneficial for marriage-related issues. After the Fajr prayer, recite this blessed verse 100 times, with Durud Sharif before and after. إِنَّمَا أَمْرُهُ إِذَا أَرَادَ شَيْئًا أَنْ يَقُولَ لَهُ كُن فَيَكُونَ. Also, recite Hasbunallahu Wani'mal Wakeel 500 times daily, with Durud Sharif 11 times before and after. This practice is widely known to bring ease and open doors in difficult situations. Important reminder: once a suitable proposal is available and both families are in agreement, it is strongly recommended in Islam to proceed with Nikah, marriage, without unnecessary delays. Delaying without valid reasons can lead to complications and obstacles. Timely Nikah brings divine blessings and stability. May Allah bless everyone with righteous, dignified, and lasting relationships. Ameen.